As you can see live right now on our Max HD radar right here behind us, it's still a swirl of rain over the state of California. California is still dealing with relentless and deadly storms. The latest atmospheric river today bringing another deluge of rain to the south and heavy snow in the mountains.
Officials are also concerned about dangerous mudslides and flooding. ABC's Faith Abube is in Los Angeles with the story.
A new storm system dumping more rain on already drenched parts of California. More than 8 million people bracing for potential flooding. In Pescadora, this dramatic video showing this road crumbling. A chunk of asphalt and saturated ground breaking away. And these striking images on State Route 33, the right side of the road washed out. Several neighborhoods submerged in rushing floodwaters, forcing a driver to abandon this vehicle in San Diego. Residents in Santa Cruz also dealing with heavy flooding. The crippling storms leaving some stranded. San Joaquin County officials say about 800 residents have been rescued from the rising floodwaters. Crews in Orange County also rescuing this woman, found clinging to a tree. As the storms continue, rising concerns for mudslides, strong wind gusts also taking down trees. And here in Woodland Hills, several vehicles crushed after this massive oak tree came crashing down.
I feel blessed that, I walked away. I'm still shooken up.
Weather experts say atmospheric rivers are essentially rivers in the sky and can carry 15 times the amount of water in the Mississippi River. The latest atmospheric river slamming Southern California is bringing record rainfall while also dumping heavy snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Parts of the area expecting an additional 3 feet of snow before Tuesday. And after weeks of brutal weather, there is a break on the horizon. California will finally begin drying out this week as the storms move east. In Los Angeles, Faith Abube, ABC News.